Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to be getting a new car. So right now we are on the way to the showroom to get it. So see you there, bye. So guys, we reached the showroom and this is going to be our new car. We are currently cleaning it up. Let's go look at five. That's so cool. You can see inside. Black interiors. That's awesome. This car, it changes color. Like if you look at the sunlight, it's like another color. I'm not sure if you can see it. Let's look at the insides of the car. We have fixed a step board and the upholstery is a black and brown. It's like the controls for the window and all of that. Oh, this does not have a clutch. That's like great. There's a camera here, 360 degree. This is the automatic gear, and whoa, it opens sideways. It's like great. This is for the AC in the back seat. Over there, the AC comes from. And this is the sunshade. So like you lift it like this and then there we go. The sunshade. And then this is the back seat. This is like an 8-seater. And it's in the top. And then we have a camera also in the back over there. And the dicky space is like huge. I don't know if you can see it. It's like huge. Yeah, that's all. Let's go inside. This is the showroom. So guys, we are done. We bought the car and we're taking it back home. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Bye.